Welcome to Restro POS. In this video, we'll guide you through how to manage modifier groups. To access modifier settings, go to the menu section on the left panel and click on Modifier Groups. Use the search bar to instantly find any group. Here you'll see all existing modifier groups with their associated options and prices. To edit a modifier group, click the Update button. To add a new modifier group, click Add Modifier Group, then enter the group name and list all options with their respective prices. Click Save to apply. And that's how easy it is to manage modifier groups in Restro POS. This helps you give your customers more choices while keeping your kitchen organized and efficient.